Hi, my name's Heather Hammock. I'm a therapist with Relationship Counseling Center, and I'd like to share with you a simple technique that may help you calm down, slow down, and reconnect with yourself in a moment of stress. This technique is called 5-finger breathing. Here's how it works. First, you're going to place the index finger of one hand along the pinky of the other hand. And then, as you breathe in, trace up the outside of the pinky. And then as you exhale, trace down the inside of the pinky. Inhale, tracing up one side of your ring finger, and exhale, tracing down the other side of your ring finger. Inhale, tracing up your middle finger. Exhale, tracing down the other side of your middle finger. Then you're going to reverse the process, tracing up your thumb over each finger as you inhale and exhale until you get to your pinky. You can do this over and over again until you're feeling calm. I suggest that you practice 5-finger breathing in moments when you're already calm so that you become comfortable with it. Maybe choose a regular time each day, like as you're sitting down to your desk at work or as you're beginning lunch. Then, once you've practiced for a while, in moments of stress or anxiety, you'll be ready with this tool that can help you care for yourself, calm yourself down, and take the next step to respond to your emotions.